Hi there, this is Adam, the archivist. I just saw a video on YouTube asking if it's good to crack your back or crack your neck. Here's my answer. No. See this scar? This is where they opened me up 3 times to fuse my neck together because I used to crack my neck all the time when I was younger. So for you young guys out there and gals, do not crack your neck. As much as it feels good at the time, wait 20 years, not gonna feel too good. Especially when your whole neck is fused up and being held together with titanium hockey discs. So don't crack your back.